In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Composer version 2 on Hostinger, ensuring a smooth and efficient installation process for your development projects. First up, let's talk about Composer and how it integrates within Hostinger. Composer 1, now deprecated, and Composer 2 are pre-installed on Hostinger's Web Premium, Web Business, and Cloud plans. While this is convenient, you might encounter some hiccups, such as installation issues, permission denials, or even memory problems. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through these potential challenges. With the release of PHP version 8.0, it's important to note that Composer 1 is no longer supported. So if you try using Composer 1 with PHP 8.0 or later versions, you'll likely see an error suggesting an upgrade to Composer 2. To do this, simply switch to the command Composer 2. Let's say you want to install the Gumlet PHP image resize package. You would enter Composer 2 require Gumlet P image resize. Just like that, you're on the right track to using Composer 2. But what if you encounter a permission denied error? Since Composer installations are global across Hostinger's servers, updating Composer with high-level commands like Composer self-update can trigger a permissions issue. To resolve this, consider downloading and installing Composer locally for each project. You'll need to follow a more detailed guide for this step, which involves obtaining the composer.far file on your local installation path. Once that's set up, running commands locally becomes straightforward with /composer.far command. For instance, you can update Composer locally by entering composer.far self-update 2. Now let's address memory exhaustion errors, which can happen if your Composer command exceeds the memory limits of your hosting plan. This is a common hurdle, but it can be addressed by running Composer with an unlimited memory flag. For a global Composer, you'd use PHP or D memory limit /1 USR local binge Composer command, or for a local install, PHP D memory limit -1 Composer far command. However, if memory issues persist, it's wise to consider upgrading your hosting plan or executing demanding tasks on your local machine before uploading the complete project back to the server. And there you have it, an essential guide to running Composer version 2 on Hostinger, navigating through upgrade prompts, permission difficulties, and memory limitations with ease. By following these steps and tips, you'll ensure that your development environment remains robust and efficient, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, building and deploying fantastic applications. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.